All right, so I'm in the garden. We have a lot of overgrowth, but the problem is we cannot get in here and start a lawn mowing because we're going to cut all the really cool stuff that my wife is growing. That was a really good idea to give everyone a quick review on the 17-inch carbon fiber 40 volt HP Ryobi string trimmer. That is a mouthful, but all you need to know is that it's battery, it's light, and it's super powerful. And the cool thing about this one compared to the other ones is that this is the battery system right back here. So this is the power system, and this up here, this is the motor, and it drives this. That means it's a direct drive, and what that means is that the power is very good because it's direct drive. It's more powerful than typically the universal ones or the expanded attachments, and you have two different speeds. Low and high. It is a self-feeding wire right through here, but the claim is that this is super quiet and super powerful, and I'll tell you, it is really quiet and it's really powerful, but don't take my word for it. I do have the microphone right here, so you're going to be able to hear everything that I'm hearing. It's at my ear itself, and I have a dB meter, and let's see what the dB says before we get started so you know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, so right here is about 98 dB. See if you can see that. So it's actually pretty quiet, but let's just see what you think as I start to cut, and I'll give you my review. Here we go. All right, let's kick it up on high. So maybe it's not a fair comparison that I have the microphone so close so that you can actually hear it, but maybe the rating that Ryobi does is typically 50 feet away when they rate the dB. So I'm going to take this off. I have it at my mouth. Now I'm going to put it on the camera, and you're going to see what it sounds like from over here. All right, so now it's on the camera. Let's see what it sounds like from over here. Okay, so that's it. My wife's garden is well on its way to growing, and we've already harvested some. I hope this gave you a good overview of the 17-inch HP 40 volt Ryobi string trimmer. I know it's a mouthful, but I've got to say, the best string trimmer I've ever had. It's quiet, super powerful. I don't even think I really need to use the high. I keep it on low. But until next time, my name is Brent. This has been Live Free and Tool On, reviewing another tool. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Get out there, go build something, make your mistakes, learn from your mistakes, pass on the solutions to the next generation. We'll all be better for it, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Take care.